Hello and welcome to my 3DK demonstration layout. So what's been happening since my last YouTube video on the layout, there actually hasn't been a lot of progress on much, as I've been in the workshop designing a brand new kit. The new kit is sectional. Just an example here. This is a door section, and you buy the sections separately and you can build up factories or industrial buildings to any size and any shape, any form. There's one with a slightly different design. Again, there's sections with just windows, and there's one that's slightly taller. One I've built for the layout is based on the Timex building. This one is based on roughly the one in Glasgow in Scotland, and I'm going to be fitting it in place and wiring it up and illuminating the inside and this is going to be a permanent fixture on the layout. So as you can see, that's wired at the front and the back. The front cable with the yellow tape round it is to illuminate a small office building that's inside. It's the manager's office, and the blue cables at the back, they illuminate the small platform that's inside to receive all the bare materials that come in that go together to make a Singer sewing machine. So it's just a matter of bedding the building down. Once it's in place, I'll work on the groundwork so that it looks like it's actually part of the scenery. And the last thing to do is just to try the wagons, just make sure there's nothing fouling, they're not striking the platform edge, that everything is as it should be, and just making sure there's enough room for the small siding at the side of the factory to be used. Where the canal sits, just to give you an idea. Again, this uses all the sectional parts of the kit that I've designed, so you can mix and match them with the different styles of windows and doors and such like things. So this will be a large building at the bottom of the layout that will come along. It will come up and join the main building here. There will also be a walkway which will join what is at the moment mock-up building, but it will be a very similar design to the one at the front, so they will be joined by walkways. The express dairy at the moment, that will be outward shipping for the Singer sewing machine plant. So all the new fancy sewing machines will get shipped out. All the basic raw materials will be shipped in that way, and also in through the access. The platform there holds enough space for 3 wagons, so a lot will be shipped in from there and was shipped out across at the outward shipping. Eventually on the hill where the triumphal arches, there will be the access to the main plant and the main offices, so there will be a grand set of buildings up the top there. So it will eventually sweep all the way down to the very bottom, which will be the oldest part of the plant, which was built before even the railways came into being. So that gives you an idea of how it's going to expand. But now I've designed the main basic kit, the expansion should be fairly rapid over the next couple of months. Other things that are going to be getting done on the layout, I do brick printed sheets, so I've started cutting them up, and these are going to be the walls for the back of the houses, for the backyards and the gardens. So that's another project for another YouTube video. So please subscribe, hit that the bell at the bottom, so that when we do put up a YouTube video, you get a notification and you can enjoy watching it. We're also on Instagram and Facebook, so please follow us, especially on Instagram, as we post almost daily what's happening on the layout or what's happening on our 3DK business. And until the next time, stay safe and enjoy your modelling.